Hello and welcome to EDGECAM in 3 minutes. EDGECAM is a market-leading CAD/CAM solution created for production machining of all component types in all industry sectors. EDGECAM incorporates outstanding functionality for 2D, 3D, 4-axis, 3+2 and full 5-axis simultaneous milling, turning from simple 2-axis right through to complex 5-axis mill turn, including sub-spindle and multiple turret configurations. These core CAM functionalities are augmented by probing, on-machine inspection and not forgetting 2 and 4-axis wire EDM. EDGECAM Designer interfaces directly to EDGECAM, where market-leading feature recognition allows you to fully program a part in as little as 4 clicks. This enables a very fast learning process, ideal if you are transitioning from an alternative CAM product, and works perfectly in both milling and turning environments. However, automation doesn't mean restriction, as EDGECAM allows you full control and customization over every toolpath, including amending leads, links, feeds, speeds and even the underlying strategies themselves. Upon implementation, one of the fastest productivity gains EDGECAM delivers is the reduction in roughing time through our world-leading Waveform algorithm, available in both milling and turning, and proving to reduce run times by up to 90% and quadrupling the life cycle of your cutting tools. A great advantage of EDGECAM is the scalability from simple 2D components right up to the most complex 5-axis challenges. Our 5-axis engine supports the latest advanced technologies, industry standard cycles such as SWARF machining, gouge protection with automatic collision avoidance, and provides outstanding functionality for both port machining and impellers. Another complex application ideally suited to EDGECAM is mill turn. Here, with the aid of feature recognition, we cater for transitioning between spindles and multiple turret configurations. The waveform strategy is also employed in the turning environment, with huge potential to save you time and money when roughing out parts. Whilst programming, you can fully simulate on the fly to check the safety and efficiency of your toolpaths, and can even incorporate additive machining if required. Additive is a dedicated manufacturing cycle which accurately guides a laser as it deposits material to form a shape. After that, the shape is machined using EDGECAM's milling cycles to create the final component. Need to improve your quality control? EDGECAM Inspect uses industry standard PC-DEMAS algorithms to deliver on-machine inspection, utilizing machine probes to inspect, analyze and amend offsets as required. Using all the aforementioned technology concurrently, you will have true and complete hybrid manufacturing software combining subtractive, additive machining and full on-machine part inspection. Thank you for watching. To find out more, visit edgecam.com.